Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Net exports and capital flows look tricky, but this becomes fast once you connect the balance of payments idea to the answer choices. Start with the balance of payments identity. When net exports move one way, international financial capital flows move the other way because trading goods links directly to cross-border asset transactions. So a trade deficit means net exports are negative, which must be matched by a financial inflow from abroad, like foreigners using their money to buy that country's assets. That is why country X having a trade deficit while country Y buys country X government bonds fits best, pointing straight to option D. Well done! Option D! Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given relationships and check steps so trade deficits match capital inflows.